Today I'm at apartment 4R on 68th Street and Columbus. It's a 1-bedroom with outdoor space. Here's a large entry closet. Huge living room. Exposed brick ceiling fan. Deco fireplace there. Renovated stainless steel kitchen. Dishwasher there. Lots of cabinet space. These are south windows. A second double closet with storage above there. And renovated bathroom. So this tenant just moved out, so it will be painted and cleaned. Kitchen again. And here's the bedroom. This will accommodate a queen bed with furniture, storage above, another closet, so it's 3 closets. And here's the outdoor space. Nice size space here. So you'll get good light, south patio there. My name is Aaron Chesky. Thanks for viewing.